Guys, today we're here. We want to show you something cool and interesting.
Any ordinary van for us.
Are you kidding me? During breakfast.
Oh, that's a true real fan right there.
And I thought I was going to be real weird walking in with my phantom case, thinking people are going to watch me like I'm some kind of drone nut.
It's kind of windy.
Can I at least finish my bagel first before we get tossed? We want to show you something cool and interesting.
Start with, got the van $700. You got to get a good deal, right?
That's right.
Bought the toolbox. It had a little dent over here. I got it for half price. We got the sparks going the top drawer.
Sparks.
Okay. We got the Mavic Air, the Osmo case. Got the Tello in here. All right, all ready to go. Got my goggles in here. Got another box for, there's a bunch of batteries and whatnot in there and a charger.
Accessories.
Now this.
Oh!
Who doesn't like floaty balls? These are for the Mavic. If I want to fly over water, I can actually land on the water.
Oh, that's for landing Mavic underwater.
These are for the Spark. These are a little bit smaller. And these are the custom props I made. This gave us ridiculous speed with the Mavic Pro.
Oh, well, yeah?
It was crazy. Matter of fact, maybe we'll do a little bit more today. They haven't been out in a while. A little virtual reality, lipo bags. Oh, this is a full-blown charge. You can get this from RC Geek.
RC Geek. Charging for the Mavic 2 Zoom and the Mavic 2 Pro. 4 batteries at a time.
Okay, it charges one at a time, right?
No, I could charge 4 at a time, 5 at a time. These are interlocking. Okay, so they lock together. I can buy these modules individually and put as many as I want together. Put this plug in any one of these.
Awesome.
Now, however many you connect, I plug this jumper in. Now we go back over here, and you see these guys turn it red. Boom. Now they're charging.
Boom. That's
And
it.
I can line them up 4 or 5, however many I need. So when you're out in the field,
Yeah.
I would highly recommend getting a very good jumper that has 12 volts, that has plugs in it, okay, and a USB. Basically, I just open this up and attach it right to the battery. So I can plug this in the car and it'll recharge this while I'm driving around through the cigarette lighter. I don't have to like bring it upstairs to the house and plug it in all the time. This shelf, this is the coup de grace.
The coup de grace?
Or coupe de grace.
Coupe de grace.
All right? This comes completely out. Oh. Here, Xavier.
Yeah. What do you got? So this here is to give you like a little extra space.
Right. All right. So we got all the space. We can lay everything out. So if I have to pull the Mavic out, I got to set it up. I don't have to look for a spot on the ground.
There you go.
Put this right here.
Damn.
If I want the Osmo, so this is the Osmo. We're going to take the head off, put an extension on it, keep the mic inside. Head off. There we go. Boom. Boom. We just pull it out. We got everything in here.
You got the space.
We got the space. We got a nice shelf. So we could charge everything. We could store everything. Obviously, got a major alarm on the car. Got a built-in umbrella.
With that being said, we're gonna fly around here. This is what, we're in Bayside, I think?
Yeah, we're in Bayside. We just ate at the Panera. You'll see the flyaway on that.
Maybe fly over by the buildings there. I don't know how scenic that is, but we're gonna do something. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys wanna pre-order this kind of stuff, or at least get the plans,
Yeah, we'll get the plans.
yeah, we'll keep you guys posted on how we're gonna get that done. All right?
Bye, guys.